hardest race ever.
This is a great event for the city of Merced. It brings neighbors together, it brings the community together, and it shows that people care in Merced. They care about each other, they care about one another, and they're willing to help each other out.
It's just fabulous to see the type of connection between the residents, the families, the children. So they're bringing their own form of a village to our community. So Safety First right now is hosting this wonderful event. And again, we're growing community through this.
I'm having so much fun today.
Programs like this, which are funded by Safety First and corporations like this, really influence our community, and they're great stewards in our community as well.
Are you a unicorn?
I'm a little corn.
Yeah, I remember my first bike. I saved up all summer to get it, and then when my dad took me to the store to get it, he drove off. He let me ride home by myself, and I thought it was the coolest thing. Just freedom. That's what it represented, freedom and fun.